Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If you have pets on your property and you want to mention that on your listing, in this video, I will show you how you can do that in just a few clicks. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, click on Switch to Hosting on the top right section. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then click on Listings option here in the top menu. That will open up your listing. You will need to click on your listing image once again. And that will open up your listing editor. Now you don't need to click anywhere else. Just scroll down in this section until you see this guest safety section on the left side. Click on that and that will open up the new menu on the right hand side. In there, the last option you will see is property info. Click on that and that will open up the next menu. And in this one, you will see the third option here is the pets live at this property. You need to mark this as yes if you have a dog or a cat or any other kind of a pet at the property. And as soon as you mention yes, this add details section will pop up. You should click on add details and type in the exact kind of pet you have and any other relevant detail you think should be mentioned. Once you're all done, click on continue and click on save. And after that, Airbnb will make sure people do see all those details before they make the reservation. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.